Kelly Wangkay Mayung, roll number 11. I request the class teacher of QC to please give away the prize. The second place is secured by Salam Yaikumba Maite, roll number 21. And the first place is secured by Rihan Kebri Mayum, roll number 29. Let's hear Rihan Kebri Mayum narrating his story that got him the first place.
Good morning, dear respected principal, teachers, and my dear friend. Today I am going to tell a story. The name of my story is Theba Masu Thenggu. Thaina Mama Maida Theba Maga Thenggu Unga Lerami Magatina Rami Theba Namatam Chupada Thenggu Tatak Nasat Langa Rami Nongmadi Mako Ani Lamden Tana China Rami Lamden Eta Baga Theba Nanakan Natin Kare Theba Nana Yengada Thenggu Odo Yamala Nanganinda Lerami Theba Na Uomagi Makada Tumtukirami Thenggu Na Tamna Lagada Theba Rutumaga Lerami Thenggu Na Bantumba Mewgada Ubada Theba Na Hana Tela Su Thenggu Di Bantumba Mewgre Asum Daudana Lamtena Tu Thenggu Na Mai Paki Wari Sinata Padi Intapa Madiwana Bagan Mana Mai Paki Kolam Jadi.
Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, Miss.